Alright, this video is showing you how I can bind this journal really quickly, and you can too. I'm going to go ahead and show you the order of the pages. So we'll start in the center, and what I would suggest is you put the butterfly painted page in the center. Next is going to be the page that has this really cool pocket flip out. Then we're going to use the page that has the tissue paper on it and the pocket made out of the packaging. And by the way, if your journal card doesn't stay underneath this piece, you can add another staple, and that's what I did here. You probably can't see it, but there's 3 staples across here, and now that journal card stays in there really well. So you can put more staples if you need to. The next page is going to be the butterfly pages here with the really cool pocket on the front. Then we're going to have the black and white page, then your cover. And so the next thing you're going to do is, after you've got all your pages made, is you're going to line them all up into the center of your book from top to bottom. And then really simply, we're going to take this jute or cord from Canvas Corp brands, and I've got a little tail on the bottom here, and I'm going to wrap it across the spine, and I'm coming back up to the center again, and I'm going to close the book, and I'm going to pull these together so they meet, and we're going to tie a little knot, and then we're going to tie a bow. And then that's a quick way to put a journal together with just string. And I have other tutorials that show you how to sew it together with wax linen thread. Alright, so let's give a little flip through of our Canvas Corp brands junk journal from the Workshop 101. So we've got architecture pieces and lots of texture on the front. We've got some tags that we made inside the front cover. Here's a little pocket and a tag. This is another pocket with a journal card inside of it. This opens up, and then we've got another little journaling spot. Over here we have an envelope that has a journaling card and ephemera inside of it. We've got a little journaling card on this side, and I love being able to see this butterfly here. We flip this over. Oopsie, my page wasn't dry. So I'll fix that. I'll put a clean one in here. So there is my postcard that goes on this side. And this is still damp, so I'm going to put a piece of paper towel over that when I close it. Got a little journal card there. And like I said in my video on the beginning of this, you can staple this in multiple places to get that to stick. I'm just going to place this here so it doesn't mess up anything else. Tuck spot here. Here we've added some of the stickers. Here's where we made our own washi tape. And this flips out, so you have writing on this side, and then you've got a little journaling card here, and then here's a tuck spot as well. We've painted on this side. This is an envelope that has tuck spots in it that's been attached with our homemade washi tape. This opens up and has journal cards on the inside, as well as in these little pockets. Clever use of packaging is what I say. And then we have some more tuck spots here. Journaling space or doodle space, another little journaling card. And I made this to where it can have something tucked in it, so maybe you've got tickets from an event or a photograph you want to add. And then this side has this little note piece that we made that kind of comes out, adds some little interest. We've got an envelope so you can add some more things that you don't want to fall out of your journal. More of the homemade washi tape. This butterfly page that you can color with your tattered angels, with watercolor paints, markers, whatever you want. And then here's another pocket on this page with the journal card or tag. And then the last page has this page with the butterflies, or you can turn it over and use the bees. And then we have a journal card here inside this little bag. And then another little, just ephemera. I got a little bit carried away with my tattered angels that got purple on it. I may have to go back and spray the whole thing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, this workshop on how to make a junk journal. And there are so many ways that you can make them, how much further you can go with this, and have fun with it. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, let others know so that they can come watch my tutorials and play along with me. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you check the description box for links to anything that you may need. Thanks for watching. Bye.